Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll explain how to stop MSN from opening on Chrome and show you how to change your startup settings so Chrome opens the page you prefer. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This is the browser where MSN is opening automatically, so all changes will be made here. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings from the menu. The Settings page is where Chrome stores options related to Startup, Homepage, and Appearance. Step 3. Scroll down in Settings and find the section called On Startup. This section controls which pages automatically open every time you launch Chrome. Step 4. Select to open a specific set of pages and review the list shown below. If MSN appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and choose Remove to stop it from opening. Step 5. Still under On Startup. Click Add a new page and type google.com, then click Save. Setting a preferred page ensures Chrome opens the website you actually want when it starts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.